Morning. Just 11:45. Back out with Cal. Oh shit, just slipped. We're just on the well, we're on the path heading up to Tarn, but we're going to stop at a little Tarn there, aren't we, Cal? We have attempted it before, but we won't go into detail. Trovan is just hiding there behind all that clag. You got Ogwen Valley here, Clean Ogwen. Yeah, speaking of clag, Cal's setting up, let's say, a YouTube channel called Catching Clag.
Testing the waters, I'll see how I find it.
Yeah, testing it out. But you know, I'll link the if he makes a video, I'll link it in the description anyway. But yeah, so we're nearly there. Pitch up a new tent for Cal.
It is.
I've heard about it for 4 weeks. I want to pitch up my Hilleberg, I want to pitch up my Hilleberg. But I'll show you what it's like when we get up there. Sun's just starting to sun-kiss the side, so looking bliss. Made it to the Tarn. Bosh. I'm not going to say the name, but I will put it on the screen somehow. Should know it, but you don't know it either, do you? Well, we know it, but we don't know how to pronounce it.
We don't look like fools.
And we live like 40 minutes down the road, and we should know this. But yeah, so beautiful little Tarn.
Let's be honest, we sound well.
No, we don't sound Welsh, but we are. And we're going to head for that little, is it plateau the right word? I don't know. Nice little flat spot. Section, yeah, so I'm absolutely filthy. I don't know if that's dog shit, sheep shit, cow shit, my shit, don't know. Anyway, we're going over there, see you in a bit. Well, that's me, all unpacked. Wait till you see this view. Look at that. Can you see Cal? Looking all lush there in his Hilleberg. Solo black label, get that in there. Yeah, everything's unpacked. It's a bit of a mess, I'll sort it out. But aye, got the new sleeping bag and a fire fan, should keep me nice and warm. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get the old canned dingoes and put them in the Tarn. Got to keep them cool, aren't you? And apologise for this sealskin hat. It's I look a bit weird, but it's doing the job, you know. Just doing some cooking, so just while this boils up some water, might as well go through my old scran. So I've got fire pot barbecue pulled pork. I'm not usually a fan of the fire pot, but this one's looking all right. We'll see. And then later I've got a Korean style beef and rice wayfarer. Again, not a fan of these, but they'll sure do for the trip. They're going to be good. And then got a couple of waskies. One for me and Cal. He doesn't like famous grouse. He's a bit of a snob when it comes to that. But we'll have those, and we've got some cans chilling in the Tarn. Can't complain.
Oh, there we go. You've got your cliff. That's easy.
Just like that, matter of seconds,
Right.
the Nemo mat is up.
Is it?
Cal keeps thinking I'm talking to him, but I'm actually doing the videos. But yeah, all set up. Gosh. Look at that, 5 PM. I've watched a film, Cal's watching some fishing show. Quick break outside and then tea time, Cal?
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah, tea time. But tent's looking good.
Get a brew on the go.
Yeah.
Checking my guide.
But look how clear it's gone. Winds are picking up. This Nemo mat on this sleeping bag. Not even got me downs out yet. Toasty. Gonna lie back and watch some American Sniper. Just been outside for a little pee break. It's not freezing in here,
Yeah.
but just to get the old feet warm. Rab slippers. They're amazing in your sleeping bag, and with that Nemo mat and the Leviathan sleeping bag, I don't even need my jacket. Right, so this is the new head torch sent by Gavin at SUNBLESA. There's the box there. So he's kindly sent me another one as well, to give away to someone on the video. So it's got a few modes, so I'll just go for the dead easy. There's 1, 2, 3. So it's got 3 levels of white light: green, brighter green, and a red. And what's handy about the green is apparently midgies don't like green lights. They go towards more of a white light. So another trick: there's 2 buttons on the top. One's for the white lights, one's for the green and red. If you hold them both down for 3 seconds, I should have done that. Oh no, done it wrong. Hang on. Both down, 3 seconds. A red light should appear. And now I'm clicking to turn them on, and they're on lock, which is good. If I want to unlock them, both down, 3 seconds, and they're back on. Quite like that feature. They are about 30 quid. Amazon, $29.99, and obviously the SUNBLESA website. And they only weigh 45 grams, which is light as anything. I mean, what's 45 grams? Probably my Apple Watch. But yeah, so if you want to win the spare one of these, because I'm keeping this one because it's quality stuff. If you want to win the spare one, comment down below SUNBLESA. That's all I want to see is SUNBLESA. And on the 23rd of February, I will pick a winner from the comments, and I'll send this out for free. Save yourself 30 quid, decent head torch. And I've been outside as well in this, and the lumens is quite good. I think max lumens is like 365, but I only use head torches just to wander around tent, you know, look inside my tent. So happy days. Can't go wrong. 45 grams, decent head torch, and it illuminates as well on the side, and you can extend it to fit your big head, your small head. Decent. So remember, comment SUNBLESA. This tent has taken an absolute battering. The winds have been relentless non-stop. Not so bad this morning. Still got some strong gusts, but wow. There was some panic stations through the night where I thought, whoa. Yeah, what a place, what a camp. It's so warm as well. Didn't put me down on in the end. Leviathan and Nemo Perfect combo. .7 in the Tarn. So I forgot to actually say where this Tarn is. So it's adjacent to the Travan Tarn. So it's across the Ogwen, Glen Ogwen lake. It's about 700 metres above sea level. But look at it. And like I said, it's the path for... Actually, I got it wrong. I said Carneth Cwelyn. It's Carneth David. Which I think is along this ridge line, and then up there is the peak. So you learn. But yeah, winds were horrendous last night, but we survived. The tents did. They did well. But what a camp! And that's camp. You saying?
Very windy.
Very windy, but leave no trace as always. You can see where we are, and we'll see you next time.